Guys, in today's video we will be checking out market structure and trend trading strategy. We will be looking at how we can combine these two to get a double confirmation for our whatever trading activities that we will be doing right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so yesterday we actually analyzed this particular asset. It is called FX volume 80. Okay, if you watch the last video I dropped within the channel yesterday, then you will have a better understanding of what we are right here. So this is how it works, guys. Yesterday we realized that okay, this was on trend before, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there. So it gave us a market structure shift at this spot. Okay, and of course we had some pullbacks which lead to break of structures in between, and this means that this is on uptrend and it bought till it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it sold again and came back to that support zone. So as at yesterday, as at the time I was creating the video, I told you that this is approaching this support zone, and this support zone is a very important support zone because if you should notice how it is at the same support zone that it switched from one trend to another because it was unable to break it when it got there. And as you can see, it also did the same thing. So I told you it is most likely for it to repeat itself again. And that was what happened, guys. That was what happened. So you can see it switched back into an uptrend and you can see it going up and up and up. Okay. And as at that yesterday, I told you that it should be targeting this region. But if you should notice, it is moving towards it. And this would have given us more profit if you had gone for this particular trade. For those that didn't go for it, I am sorry for you guys because you guys didn't take advantage of the opportunity. But for those that took advantage of it, congratulations to you all. You guys should be in big profit right now because this has actually given us about 237,000 points already. So this is so huge, guys. This is so huge. Okay, now let's look at more examples. Okay, this is Ganex 1200. Ganex 1200 had always been, it had been on downtrend for some days now. We actually picked the signal up right from here and we traded it for a very long time, even though we have achieved all our TPs. But let me share this with you guys. When it broke out, when it changed the character at this port, and of course, gave us an opportunity to enter, we had the opportunity to enter early at this point because we are using a custom indicator that is created using the trend trading strategy. So it means that we are getting a double confirmation right from there. So it helps us to get into the asset, into this market earlier than expected. And this actually gave us more profit. Check it out. It sold, had a pullback, came back down to break out from the structure, sold again, had a pullback, came back down to break out from the structure, sold again, had a pullback, came back down to break out from this structure also at this point. As at yesterday, it has gotten to this region, and I told you that if it breaks out from this structure again, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then that means it is finding difficult to break out below this support zone, and it will switch back into an uptrend. And as you can see, it broke out below it because it is still on downtrend and it is selling at the moment. So that is the beautiful thing about this particular strategy. Okay, so if you really understand how it works, then you are most likely to be milking the market on daily basis like this. Now let's check out Ganex 999. This is another asset that has actually been doing well for some days right now. This actually started an uptrend right from there. And as you can see, it has been giving us more profit, breaking out from more structures in order for us to earn more. So this actually got to this particular resistance and it has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend. But before we can say this, we go back fully on downtrend. Okay, check out this. I want you to draw a trend line. Okay, pick it from here and drag it up, okay, till it get to this region. So which means this needs to break out below this trend line, okay, below this support trend line. If it does not break out below it, then it is still on uptrend. It means that it will still buy more. If it breaks out below it and close a candle below it, then you are most likely to see it selling till it gets to this region, guys, till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's still going to sell more. So we should take note of that. Okay, so that is the power of you understanding the strategy you're using. Here is another one. This actually started a downtrend from here. I mean, it had been on downtrend for long, but right here is a pullback and a downtrend. I'm going to prove that to you. And of course, so till it got to this region, was unable to break out from here, so it is buying at the moment. But is it really going back on uptrend? Come on, check this out, guys. This has been on downtrend for a very long time. Just the way you are seeing it, guys. It has been on downtrend, had a pullback, and came back down. But what I noticed is that this is having a major pullback, so which is giving us a big BOS, a big break of structure, just the way we are seeing it right here. And of course, it sold more. We add another one around here, and of course, it sold more, and we add another one around here. So right now, we are having another pullback. We don't know how far this will go. So we are expecting that this will not be able to break out from here. If it breaks out above it, then we are most likely to experience more buying opportunity. But if it does not, it will go back down and break out below this to sell more. So if that happens, watch out for it. If it happens, then you can have a good setup for yourself right from there, probably around here. You can have a good setup around here as your entry point and target this region or even below this region. Okay, so you sell it downward till it get there. Okay, or you wait for the downtrend signal and the sell signal to pop out, and of course you target this region at that spot, because if it cannot go beyond this, then definitely it should sell and break out from here, because it shows that will show us that it is still on downtrend. Okay, so this is the power of trend trading strategy and market structure. Once you understand how you can use this very well, then you are most likely to make good profit for yourself on daily basis like that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.